Received an iPhone 14 with a bizarre issue. Whenever gaming or browsing TikTok for extended periods, the phone overheats and Wi-Fi disconnects. After cooling down, Wi-Fi resumes normally, but Bluetooth remains permanently disabled. As our viewers know, the encrypted Wi-Fi chip couldn't be replaced once damaged. Previous repair attempts as described by the owner failed to fix the Wi-Fi issue. However, this chip can now be replaced since this year. We installed a new encrypted Wi-Fi chip onto this iPhone 14. Let's begin disassembly. Removed front-facing camera Face ID module. Detached earpiece. Extracted motherboard noting display, touch, sensor flex cables. Observed flux residue indicating prior board separation. Separated motherboard layers using heating station. Identified red service markings under a 15 processor. The other side are baseband and Wi-Fi chip. Repair process. Heated and removed faulty Wi-Fi chip. Cleaned and leveled solder pads with flux. Reflowed solder balls on pre-programmed replacement chip. Installed new Wi-Fi chip. Applied thermal paste on a 15 processor. Reassembled motherboard layers. Restored ME shielding and cosmetic foam stickers. Reassembly. Reinstalled motherboard. Cleaned residual adhesive. Applied new waterproof seal. Reattached back glass. Performed thermal compression for seal integrity. Post-repair test. Successful IMEI display. Enter 06 confirms baseband functionality. Stable Wi-Fi connection restored. With Wi-Fi chips now replaceable, imagine how many second-hand phones can be revived. All phone parts and tools are available in Teevo.com.